Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lee's class. Today we're going to learn how to multiply two binomials. Right, before we start, I want you to look at the warm-up question. Use an area model to determine the product. So I have 64 and 48. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 60 here plus 4. So from here to here is 60 and here to here is 4. So 60 and 4, and this is 40 and this is 8. And I'm going to find the area of each square. So 60 times 40, what is the area of this one? 2,400. 60 times 8, what's the area of this one? 480. 4 times 40, the area of this one is 160. And the last square, 4 times 8, 32. And now you can just simply add those up. Okay, when you add them up, it becomes 3,072. So the answer is 3,072. So you can find the product of 64 and 48 using area model. So we're going to use the same method when we multiply binomial. So here, I have x plus 3 and x plus 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw algebra tiles. X tile. So shaded tiles are positive, and you have 3 integer tiles. 1, 2, 3. So shaded. Same thing. X plus 2. X plus 2. Okay, we have 2 binomial algebra tiles, and I'm going to draw algebra tile x and x. It becomes x squared. Okay, and x and 1. It becomes just x. X and 1 again. X and 1 again. I have x tile, x tile. Another x tile, another x tiles. So we need to shade it because it becomes positive x, x. And 1 times 1 is integer tiles. It becomes 6 integer tiles. Shaded, shaded. All right. And when you add them up, what do you guys get? X squared, we have 1x squared, and we have 5x and 6 integer tiles. So this is how you multiply 2 binomials using algebra tiles. So the answer is x squared plus 5x plus 6. This time, what you're going to do is you're going to read the algebra tiles. How many x do you have here? 1x. How many 1 do you have here? 4, 1. Okay, you have 2x and 1, 1. So what you're going to do is 2x plus 1 and x plus 4. And now you're going to draw algebra tiles to find the answer. Alright everyone, so I want you to pause the video and draw the tiles, and I want you to find the answer. Go ahead everyone. Okay, have you tried it? So this is the answer, and how many x squared do you have? 2x squared. And how many x's do you have? 9x. And how many 1 do you have? 4. So 2x squared, 9x, 4. So this is the answer. So this is how you use algebra tiles to find a product of two binomials. Okay, sometimes we can use box model. So this is the sample. So you have 5x minus 6. So you can put 5x minus 6 horizontally or vertically. It doesn't really matter. So 5x minus 6, 2x plus 1. And you're going to find the area of this one, which is 2x times 5x, 10x squared, negative 6 times 2x, negative 12x. So find the area and find the answer by collecting the like terms. Here, okay, a squared minus 5, a squared minus 8, a squared times a squared. What do you get? A to the power of 4. A squared minus 5x, negative 5a squared. A squared minus 8x minus 8a squared, negative 8 times negative 5 plus 40. And now you can write negative 13a squared. Okay, so that is the answer. All right, so we can use algebra tiles or box models, but we can also use distributive property. So you should be able to solve this without using those models, right? So here, it's called FOIL method because you multiply the first term first, which is A and C, and you multiply outside the terms, which is A and D, and then you multiply inside the terms, which is B and C, and then you multiply last terms together, which is B and D. So first term, outside, inside, last. So we call this FOIL method. So you can just simply think that you're doing fishing. You're fishing. So A times C, A times D, B times C, B times D, like this. So AC, AD, BD, BC, BD. So this is how you expand how to distribute a product of two binomials. Okay, for example, here, FOIL. So we're going to FOIL this, x and 2x. X times 2x, x and negative 1, x times negative 1, and 2 times 2x, 2 times negative 1. Okay, so we FOIL it. So x and 2x becomes 2x squared, x and negative 1 becomes negative x, 2 and 2x becomes positive 4x, 2 and negative 1 becomes negative 2, right? So we FOIL and collect the like terms. So this is the answer. All right, let's try this one together. Expand. Let's FOIL. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 7, 21x. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 7, 14. Then that is 3x squared plus 23x. You collect the like terms and combine the like terms. Plus 14 is the answer. All right, next. Here you have x minus 5 squared. So you just write it out. X minus 5, x minus 5. Now I want you to pause the video and solve this question. Go ahead, everyone. All right, have you tried it? Let's do it together. X and x, x squared. X and negative 5 is negative 5x. Negative 5 and x becomes negative 5x. Negative 5 and negative 5 becomes positive 25. Combine the like term, that's negative 10x plus 25. Okay? Alright, let's move on. Look at example 2a. So we're going to FOIL this first. So 2x times 3x, 6x squared. 2x times 4 is 8x. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 4, negative 4. And put bracket around it. And we're going to FOIL this too. So write it out. 2x times 2x, 4x squared. And next, 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x again. Negative 3 times negative 3 plus 9. After this, what we're going to do is we're going to collect the like terms. The first expression, 6x squared plus 8x minus 3x is 5x minus 4. Second expression, 4x minus 6x minus 6x, which is negative 12x plus 9. And then we're going to do keep, change, change. Keep the first expression, change the middle, and change the second expression. Okay, and we're going to collect the like terms. That is 2x squared, 5x, 12x, plus 17x, negative 4, negative 9, negative 13. So this is the answer. Next, let's do FOIL. Alright, so x times x squared is x cubed. X times 3x becomes x squared. X times negative 1 becomes negative x. Negative 2 times x squared, negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Let's collect the like terms. 3x cubed doesn't have a like term. It's this one, like terms. And this one, like terms. 3x squared and negative 2x squared is positive x squared. Negative x, negative 6x, negative 7x plus 2. Okay. Let's move on. This question, you can just do FOIL again. Multiply, and then multiply those 3, and multiply those 3. So I want you to try this one by yourself. Okay? And D as well. A minus 2b, a minus 2b, you have to repeat multiplying this 3 times. So you do first to 2 first. So FOIL, find first to 2, and then after that, you do the second, last binomial. So try those 2 questions by yourself, and I'm going to go over it after. Okay, have you guys just tried it? Let's do C together. We're going to multiply this to those 3 terms. So negative 2t squared times 5t squared. So that is negative 10t to the power of 4. So negative 2t squared times negative 2t. Positive 4, so 1 hiding here, right? T to the power of 3. Negative 2t squared times 1 is negative 2t squared. Positive 4t, 5t squared, 20t cubed. Positive 4t, negative 2t, negative 8t squared. Positive 4t, positive 1, positive 4t. Negative 3, 5t squared, negative 15t squared. Negative 3, negative 2t is positive 6t. Negative 3, positive 1, negative 3. Okay, and now we're going to collect the like terms. This one does not have a like term. Those are like terms. And those two are like terms. Oh, those three are like terms actually. And those two are like terms. Let's combine them. Negative 10t to the power of 4, positive 4t cubed plus 20t cubed is 24t cubed. Negative 2, negative a, negative 15 is negative 25t cubed. Positive 4, positive 6, 10t minus 3. So this is the answer. Right, next. A squared. So open a bracket. A squared and a times negative 2b, negative 2ab, negative 2b times a, that is negative 2ab, and negative 2b plus 4b squared, a minus 2b. A squared, negative 2ab, negative 2ab, negative 4ab plus 4b squared, a minus 2b. And let's FOIL. A times a is a cubed. Now a times negative 2b is negative 2a squared b. Negative 4ab a. Negative 4a squared b. Negative 4ab, negative 2b plus 8ab squared. 4b squared a, 4ab squared. 4b squared, negative 2b is negative 8b cubed. Okay, and we're going to collect the like terms and combine the like terms. A cubed, and those two are like terms. It becomes negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6a squared b, and 8ab squared, 4ab squared, total 12ab squared minus 8b cubed. So did you guys get the correct answer for those two questions? Move on and pause the video, try E and F by yourself. Okay, let's try it together. You do those two binomials first. Let's do FOIL. X squared plus x, negative 4x, negative 4. And collect the like terms. Those two plus x minus 4x becomes negative 3x minus 4. 3x minus 3. And again, let's FOIL. 3x cubed. Negative 3x squared. Negative 9x squared. Positive 9x. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. 3x cubed, negative 3, negative 9 is negative 12x cubed, positive 9, negative 12. It's negative 3x plus 12. Okay, look at F. So what we're going to do is we're going to FOIL this and multiply 2 after, right? So x times 3x squared is 3x cubed, x times negative x squared, x times positive 1 plus x, negative 3x squared. Negative 1 times negative x is positive x. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. Collect the like terms. Collect the like terms. This one and this one, they are like terms. It becomes negative 4x squared. And this one, 2x minus 1. And then now you distribute 2 into the bracket. So it becomes 6x cubed negative 8x squared plus 4x minus 2. Okay everyone, that is it for this lesson. Now I want you to start doing your homework. Thanks for watching.